What's the most surprising knock you've ever received at your door? Around 3 a.m., there was a sudden knock on my door. To my surprise, it was a police officer accompanied by my nephew, who happened to be a town council person. They had some distressing news to share. Apparently, my brother-in-law had been involved in a horrific car accident, and unfortunately, he passed away instantly. As my wife descended the stairs, they relayed the devastating news. Once again, they mentioned that he didn't have any identification on him, but the car belonged to him. They said he's a little over 6 feet tall with a wolf tattoo on his arm. We confirmed that is true. They asked me to come to the morgue in a few hours to identify the body. Once they cleaned him up, they pulled the sheet down, and I stared at him for a while. There were similarities, but it wasn't him. They were amazed, and then asked if I could look at his passenger, who was also killed. They apologized. They hadn't cleaned him up yet. They unzipped the body bag. I told them that wasn't him either. I was questioned about the incident, but I honestly had no clue. It turned out that two individuals stole my brother-in-law's car while he was sleeping tragically. They ended up crashing the car and losing their lives while speeding around a curve to buy drugs. Shockingly, one of them had the exact same tattoo as my brother-in-law.